What if I told you that getting rich isn't about working more hours? It's about building the right types of income. In this video, I'll show you the 3 types of income you must have to create real, lasting wealth, and how to start building all 3, even if you're starting from zero. Because once you understand how income really works, you'll never look at money the same way again and rise to riches. Most people spend their whole life chasing one thing, a paycheck. They wake up, go to work, trade time for money, and repeat, month after month, year after year. But here's the problem. When your only source of income is you, everything stops the moment you do. Get sick? Lose your job? Burn out? Your income disappears, and your entire lifestyle is at risk. That's not freedom. That's financial survival. Meanwhile, the wealthy play a different game. They don't just earn, they stack. 3 types of income, working together, even when they sleep. And the good news, you don't need to be rich to start building like the rich. You just need to understand what these income types are, how they work, and how to start combining them now, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's break them down. Earned income is the money you make by trading time for money. It's your job, your side hustle, your freelance gig. It's the most common and the fastest way to start making money right now. Whether you're delivering food, editing videos, designing logos, or tutoring online, this is your launchpad. And while some people hate on earned income, here's the truth. It's how you build fuel. Fuel to invest, to reinvest, to build other income streams. So instead of ignoring it, optimize it, increase your rates, improve your offer, deliver more value, and stack cash quickly to fund the next moves. Start here. List one skill or service you can offer today, then post it anywhere someone might need it. Because while this income type won't make you rich alone, it's where every wealth journey begins. Passive income is the dream, getting paid without trading your time directly. But let's be clear, it's not magic. You have to build something once that keeps paying you over and over. That could be a digital product, a YouTube channel, an ebook, a membership, or affiliate links that generate commissions long after you've hit publish. The key? Create once, get paid repeatedly. Even if you don't have a huge following, you can start small. A Notion template, a guide, a mini course, something useful that solves a specific problem. Start here. Pick one idea and commit to launching it this month. No overthinking, just ship it. Because every passive income stream starts with one simple product and grows with consistency. Build it once and let it work for you while you sleep. Portfolio income is what happens when your money starts doing the work for you. This is income from investments, like stocks, crypto, real estate, ETFs, things that grow over time and pay you back through dividends, interest, or capital gains. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start small and stay consistent. Apps like Robinhood, Public, or even crypto platforms let you begin with as little as $5 or $10. The key is to build the habit, not chase quick returns. Set up an auto transfer. Choose low-fee ETFs or high-divide stocks, and let time plus consistency do the heavy lifting. Because the longer your money stays in, the harder it works. This income stream is quiet, but it's powerful. And over time, it becomes one of the biggest wealth multipliers you'll ever have. Everyone has a skill. The difference is whether you're getting paid for it. Maybe you're good at writing, editing videos, organizing, explaining things. That's not just a hobby. It's a service waiting to be monetized. Step 1, turn that skill into a clear offer. Something specific, simple, and valuable. For example, I'll edit your 60-second video for $30. I'll design your brand's IG bio and highlights for $40. I'll tutor high school math for $25 an hour. Now post that offer on Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram, Reddit, wherever your audience lives. You don't need a fancy portfolio. You need one person to say yes. That first dollar proves your skill has value. And that proof, it builds confidence, consistency, and income. So stop waiting to feel ready. Turn your skill into cash and use it to fund your next move. You don't need 1 million followers to make passive income. You just need a niche problem and a simple solution. Think Notion templates, niche guides, Canva packs, productivity tools, AI prompts, things people need and search for. You can sell these on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Paycheck, or even through your own link in bio. Start by asking, what's something I know that could save someone else time, stress, or money? Then package that into a digital product and post it. Even if only 5 people buy it this week, that's proof. And proof builds momentum. The secret? Volume plus consistency. You don't need to go viral. You need to keep creating value that lives online. So forget the follower count. Focus on solving one problem for one person in one product, and let the internet do the rest. Most young people think investing is complicated, but the truth is, it's never been easier to start. You don't need thousands of dollars or a finance degree. You need consistency and a simple plan. Start with a free investing app, like Robinhood, Public, or SoFi. Set up an automatic transfer. Even $10 a week is enough. Then choose something boring but effective, like ETFs, index funds, or dividend stocks. No need to chase crypto pumps or risky trades. This is about building habits, not gambling. Every time you invest, you're planting seeds, and the more consistent you are, the more those seeds grow over time. Even if the gains are small at first, they compound silently, powerfully, and passively. So don't wait for more money. Start with what you have, because time in the market always beats timing the market. Depending on a single income stream feels safe, until it's not. One layoff, one emergency, one algorithm change, and suddenly everything crumbles. That's why the wealthy build layers of income, not just one. They don't wait for the worst-case scenario to start diversifying. They build protection before they need it. You don't need 5 businesses. You need one earned stream, one passive project, and one investing habit. That's it. Start by auditing where your money currently comes from. Is it all from one source? One client? One job? If yes, it's time to spread the risk. Because when you build multiple streams, you don't just earn more, you feel safer. You make bolder moves. You sleep better. So don't fall for the one-stream trap. Build a system that stands strong, even if one part falls. Here's what separates the rich from everyone else. They don't rely on one income type. They stack all 3. Earned income gives them speed. Passive income gives them freedom. Portfolio income gives them scale. Each one feeds the other. They take what they earn and invest it into systems. Then take those profits and reinvest into assets. It's a loop, and once it starts, it compounds fast. Imagine this: you freelance. Use that money to launch a digital product. Use those profits to buy dividend stocks. Now you're earning from 3 directions. At the same time, that's not luck. That's structure. So your mission isn't to master all 3 at once. It's to start with one and use it to unlock the others. Because once you stack them, that's when wealth builds on autopilot. Want to multiply your income faster than most people ever will? Use this simple principle. Earn, reinvest, multiply. It works like this. You generate earned income from a job, service, or side hustle. Instead of spending it, you reinvest it into passive projects or investments. Then those start paying you, and you reinvest again. It becomes a loop of growth. Example, freelance money funds a YouTube channel. That channel earns ad revenue. You take that revenue and buy ETFs or a crypto. Now you've got earned, passive, and portfolio income feeding each other. This is how money becomes momentum. It's not about saving everything. It's about circulating your income with purpose. Every dollar has a job to help you earn more. So ask yourself, is your money sitting still, or is it moving like a system? Building all 3 types of income might sound overwhelming, but the trick is to start simple and start now. Step 1. Pick your earned income move. Freelance, part-time, sell a service. Choose one and take action this week. Step 2. Brainstorm a passive idea. One digital product, one template, one guide. Keep it simple and commit to launching it this month. Step 3. Set up your portfolio income. Open an investing app, transfer $10, and choose a low-risk That's it. The goal isn't to be perfect. It's to build momentum. Because once each stream is activated, they start reinforcing each other. You earn, you build, you invest, and the cycle begins. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start stacking while you're still figuring it out. The trifecta isn't for the rich, it's for the intentional. Every wealthy person you admire uses this exact income trifecta, not because they got lucky, but because they built systems, one stream at a time. You have the same tools, the same access. All that's missing is the decision to start. You don't need more time. You need more intention. And the sooner you build your first stream, the faster the others will follow. If this video gave you clarity on how to build real wealth, hit that like button, subscribe to Rise to Riches, and comment below. Which income stream are you starting today? Remember, getting rich isn't about working harder. It's about building smarter. Earn intentionally. Reinvest wisely. Automate the rest and rise to riches.